Today is January 14th. I'm recording ABC Bullish Patterns video for January 15th and a few more days from here. The first chart I wanted to show is S&P 500 chart. And this is S&P is in a ABC Bullish pattern since the mid of November, and it reached its first target of 1472 Friday. So now I'm a bit cautious with it, and today the market traded, it only fell about a point and a half, but I guess yes, actually S&P futures are trading at 1465 at this point. So I'm going to watch for it, and if it really closes above 1472 in the next few sessions, I do think that the S&P may reach this the next level, which is about 1507. So the next chart, let's look at it, is the oil chart. I'm also long on oil from the USO calls. So I'm expecting oil to reach, it's in an ABC pattern 2 bullish pattern, and it expecting to reach between 98.5 to 102. This is the target range. So right now I'm long on USO. The next chart I wanted to show is Deckers, which I actually posted this in last week sometime, because this has a perfect ABC pattern, and today it actually showed its strength and it went up by $1.50. So what I'm looking for it is I'm looking for its targets to be between 43 and 45. And Deckers, let's see, when is its earnings coming out? The earnings are slated to come out in February 19th. So we have plenty of time before I think it will reach this level, I think between $43 and $46. So the next stock I wanted to show is Cisco. Cisco is also in an ABC bullish pattern, and its targets, it's reached its first targets already between 1965 to $20.50, and the next target zone is between 21.5 and 22.75. The next one is the oil stock, which is a Chevron. Chevron again has a pretty solid bullish pattern. The entry trigger was at 106. That's this price range, which is called the EL level. And then the first targets for Cisco is CVX is $114 and $118. Next one I wanted to show is Infosys. This also again I posted a few days ago. In fact, 2 days before it actually triggered, it actually rallied on its report. This one was posted a few days ago on my website, and now I think it almost reached its target. Its first targets were basically gapped up between 48 and 50, and now the next target zone is between 53 and 56. Next one I wanted to show is the PFE. This is most of the drug stocks are pretty much in a bullish conditions, and I think I'm expecting it to reach up to this $28 on Pfizer. Dell is a surprising stock, which is I guess based on today's it's a potential possibility of an LBO. It may be it's rallied about $1.60, and I guess I have a feeling it may go up, and I don't have an ABC pattern for it, but I've been watching this. The next one interesting is a Monster. I actually waited all day for it to give me a position into it, and it actually traded almost $1 in the morning, but it's kind of showing an ABC pattern. It's not a perfect pattern yet, as it only retraced 54%. So I will wait for next couple of days to see if it could actually give me an entry signal. And I also would think that if it actually trades about that 62%, it would have a better opportunity. The next one is a Coach. Coach is breaking out of this ABC pattern. Now it just reached $61.50 and $64, and that is its first target zone. And the next one would be higher, which is between 67 and $71. And the last one is a Qualcomm. Qualcomm, for the past couple of days, it actually kind of trading in a little bit in the red zone. Today it actually fell over $1, but I think it recovered it by the end of the day. I'm still hoping this stock would actually rally higher and it would trade at $67, and that would be completing its first zone, which is between $65 and $67. Let me show you a couple of more stocks. I guess I have a little more time. One is the Philip Morris, or it's called the Altria group right now. And this one also has an ABC pattern, and this is something called a perfect pattern, perfect ABC bullish pattern. And here the targets are between $33 and $34, and then the next targets would be something like a $34.90 at $35 to $36. One more is a Riverbed. This also has an ABC pattern. It's just now trading about 200 period moving average. That's the magenta line here. The targets would be between $23 and $25. I believe that's it, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow.